Hi dears, how are you all? I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to science class. Today we will start our revision. Okay, we almost already finished our all topics in second semester. Now we are starting the revision, right? Okay, all of you revise with me. Okay, take your science learners book and notebook. Take topic 5.1. Okay, so let's start our revision. First topic 5.1, light travels in straight lines. What you have learned from this topic? We learned the light travels in straight line from a light source. The light travels in a straight line from a light source. We know that what are the different light sources, right? And what are the main light source? That is earth, that is sun, right? Okay, so shadows form when the light is blocked by a solid object, right? What is shadow? Shadow is a dark shape made on a surface when object is blocking the light. Okay, so shadows form when the light is blocked by a solid object. Some materials block light because the light cannot travel through them. This causes shadows. Okay, some materials block the light because the light cannot pass through them, so this causes shadows. So when object is blocking the light, shadows are formed. Then the next topic is 5.2, which materials light through. Okay, so we know that there are three types of materials. What are they? Opaque materials, translucent material, and transparent materials. So what is meant by opaque materials? Opaque materials do not light through any light. Okay, opaque materials do not allow any light pass through. For examples, what? Wood, stone, paper, fabrics, etc. And what is meant by translucent material? Translucent material lets some light pass through. Okay, some light. Examples: butter paper, sunglasses, etc. And transparent material let all the light pass through. Okay, let all the light. And for example, glass, clear water. Okay, these all are the transparent materials. Then a shadow forms when the light is blocked by an opaque object. Okay, the shadows are formed only when the opaque object is blocking the light. Opaque materials can make black shadow. Okay, opaque materials can make black shadow. And what about the translucent material? Translucent materials form a weak shadow when a light shines on them. Okay, the shadow is gray rather than black. Okay, the shadow is gray, not black. Then transparent materials do not make any shadow. Okay, opaque materials can make black shadow, translucent materials are make gray or a weak shadow, and transparent materials do not make any shadow. There are some questions for you. What is shadow? Okay, and how shadows are formed? What are the difference between transparent, translucent, and opaque materials? Okay, learn from your notebook. Now look at this question. Look at this helmet. Which parts are transparent and which parts is opaque? And why? Why do you think this? So you can see which part is transparent. That is a glass, right? You can see the middle there is a glass. Okay, why they are made up of transparent? So that the person can see where he is going or where she is going, and he can see what is outside, what is happening outside, everything he can see through this glass. That's why they are made by the visor is transparent. Okay, and what about the rest of the parts? What about the other parts? Okay, the rest of the other parts is opaque. It is made up of opaque and will block sunlight reaching the head. Okay, why they are made up of this opaque material? Because it is block sunlight reaching the head. But that is not the main function of this material, which is to protect the head in the event of an impact, and also it is protect the head. Okay, so that is a function of helmet. Think of it and write in the notebook. Okay, look at this question. Some foods are packed in transparent containers and some foods are packed in opaque containers. Why do you think they are packed using these materials? You can see in this picture. This is a sandwich, right? The first picture you can see the sandwich. Why they are packed within transparent material? Because the people can see what is inside it. Okay, people can see what is inside it. That's why they are using the transparent covering for sandwich. But the second picture you can see there is some chocolate. Why they are covering with a transparent material or translucent material? Because there are too much light. Okay, the too much light could damage the product. Okay, when they enter more light inside the product, it will become damaged easily. So they are using the opaque material. Opaque materials do not let any light pass through. Okay, do not allow any light pass through. So they are using opaque materials or translucent material to cover the food product. Not only the chocolate, you can see there are different types of food products, right? So these all are covered with flour and there are so many things, biscuits. These all are covered with what? Opaque material, opaque coverings, because there is more light and enters, the product will damage. Okay, so they are using this type of materials. So all of you read the question answers and revise this all topics from learner's book and student book and activity book also. Okay, those who are not completing the activity book, please complete it. Check all the pages are finished. Okay, please complete all the pages in activity book. Then revise with me. We have to do this easily, the revision, and also I will give you the revision sheet. This also you have to do at home. This question answers write in the notebook and study well, learn well, keep watching, stay healthy. Bye bye.